Why you keep looking back at me?
Cause I ain't looking at you.
No, I'm saying though, but you right out here. It's in front of if somebody's in front of you right here. But you keep looking back like you want to jump back in. That's what I'm thinking. That's why. Yeah, like
I'm
you
in front of you.
Yeah, you're in front of me, but you looking back like you want to get back in line or get back behind.
I'm not
the
running.
No, you ain't. You out here. Now, if you wasn't looking back at all, I wouldn't have no problem with it. But
I'll come back and then that time I'm gonna come back in. I want to come back in. Yeah, I'm looking to see where you are.
You don't have to do that because you giving me the impression that you trying to come back in. I don't know. I don't know what you're doing.
Yeah, I might want to come back in, but I want to make sure I'm not going to hit you back. You just want me to come over?
Come over anytime you want.
I'm not going to do that.
But the other part wrong with that too is when you keep looking back like that, you gonna mess around and hit somebody and hit the guy behind you.
I'm out though.
This is $1 million price tag right there.
Yeah, well,
there you go, right there. Camera on me. Check, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's what Rex and Effect does. Check, baby, check.
You asked for it.
Rex and Effect.
We ride. You talking about some song came on the radio, the greatest love song ever. We saying that, boy, you old.
you know I don't